Hey guys, this is Bronson Prejean, and today, me and my buddy Tyler, we are gonna be going to the power sports store. Go pick up some well, I'm gonna get a razor. I'm pretty sure he's gonna get a razor. And as you can see, scrambler and the boat. The scrambler's in the shop, and the boat I sunk it. So I just sold the trailer. So maybe next video, or yeah, maybe next video I might be getting a new boat. Who knows? Alright, let me call Tyler, see if he's ready. Hey, hello?
Hey, what's up?
What's up?
None, I'm just you got out the shower.
You ready?
Yeah, you ready?
Yeah, I'm coming to your house.
Alright,
Bye.
walking on my house right now. Alright, later.
Cho, I didn't know you put a new exhaust on your truck. Back up.
Oh yeah, I put a whole new motor and I come and swapped it. I
Cho.
blew the other motor.
Oh. Well,
Stop and get some gas.
this stuff should be fun because I'm buying. It's a high lifter. That's all I'm saying. High lifter razor. It's a 2019. No, I think it's 2018. I'm not sure. I don't remember. I don't even
Hey,
remember
put the
what I'm.
gas. Alright. You gonna get some in the store?
Yeah. What you want?
Give me some hot fries and energy drink.
Alright. Here.
Thank you.
Welcome. Dude, this truck sounds so good.
Yeah, I know.
Need to put you some bigger tires on it though.
Nah, I've been looking at some. I don't know that.
Little tiny 28s.
I get good gas mileage though.
Yeah, for real. I didn't know you bought a tractor.
Yeah.
Let me guess, you bought it just to fix it and sell it and get some more money.
Yep.
Why you didn't turn her there? That would have been fast.
Kinda slow this morning.
That's why you had to rebuild your motor.
We ain't gotta talk about that. However, Grandpa just sit there and he get off the road. Everything connects on that trailer is feeling kind of jumpy. Wanna get on check real quick?
Huh?
Get on check real quick, cause I don't think the safety chains are connected.
Oh yeah, they connected. None of the
No, it's
tires
feeling
look
kind of
flat.
jumpy.
Boy, you better go. Your trailer's in the room. Hey, I know they got a gas station coming up. Stop at the gas station. I need to go pee.
You got some speed now.
Yeah, bro. Hey, watch out on that turn coming up. One of my other buddies, he died from turning her there. Went off fast. Flipped
Almost
his
happened to
car.
me in my square bottom. Got on 2 wheels for a good
Look,
minute.
right there. Slammed into that wall.
Hoping you get there before it closes.
Yeah, for real. They said they closed at 10.
Well, they said they both of them outside.
Yeah. I mean, we
And
already
they told me
paid
where to
for
keep
them and
keys
stuff.
too. Yeah. I'll just wait till what I do to that side by side. Kind of raw. Side by side is about to be so clean. There's a gas station right up there.
Yeah, that place should be right across from the gas station.
Alright, I need to go pee too.
Give me a little bit of money. Might buy me some. Cause I think they said that they told me to leave some money for the ice chest. Dude needs to hurry up. Man, they closed. So we're going behind the store and pee. Oh wow, I didn't even have to come up here.
where he went.
I'm peeing.
Bronson.
Hey,
Alright.
I'm peeing. The store's closed. Oh, my bad,
Oh,
sir.
I want him
You
to
the
back.
cat, puta?
My bad,
You
sir.
got what's coming to you.
But my bad.
Cabron! Ah!
Can you believe it?
Push me.
Leave that old man alone. Alright, come on before they call the cops.
Shouldn't have freaking called me a puta. Golly.
Nah,
Thing
I
sounds like
love
that
that
drag
sort of
car that I
song.
used to have. Chuck.
Like
Big, please.
that's a big pause
I
for
know.
the please.
Thing's humongous. Humongous.
Oh, look, they left them outside for us.
Oh. Hey, mine's the blue one. Hey, put the rims down. I'm gonna pull them up
There's
to the
some.
trailer. That one's mine, the blue one. Things are far.
I try. Let me take a picture to post on Snapchat real quick.
I had to take a thumbnail.
Oh, you filming a YouTube video?
Yeah, I told you that a while ago.
Oh, I didn't hear you. I might leave some marks in there. Parking lot real quick.
Yeah, for real. Oh, that one's yours? I took a picture of that other one. They look the same. Oh my god, it feels so much different inside of a side by side.
I know. I'm used to my scrambler.
I know, me too. I'm about to jump this
Oh,
thing.
this thing rips. Oh,
20
not already, huh?
20,000 likes and I'll jump it. Probably break a few axles.
Oh, I don't know if my trailer's gonna be big enough. I didn't think about that.
Oh, I want to jump it so bad, but I don't feel like fixing it. It's a high lift. It don't need to be jumped. See if we can spin the tires.
They should be a boat fit, but I don't know. It's gonna be a tight fit.
Whoa!
Oh, watch out, bro. Not already, huh?
Well, I can spin them.
Don't forget you gotta put some money down for that ice chest.
Alright, let's see if it'll fit. Tell me when to stop.
Alright, I got you. Alright, go right there.
Alright, you got any extras that you need to pay for? Give me the money. No? Alright. Hey, I'ma text the guy and I'ma tell him I'm putting it inside the cashier thingy. Well, I'm putting it inside the glove box of his four-wheeler.
Man, it surely is a nice place. Man, you need to open up one like this.
Yeah, I know. Thing's nice. Hey, can you text that dude and tell him that I put the money inside the four-wheeler? The
Yeah, I'll text him whenever I get on the road.
The 1000 with snorkels.
Alright. Alright.
Oh my god, those things are far.
I'm leaving mine at my building for the night. If you want, you can leave yours at my building too. If you want.
Leave them on the trailer. It's a long
Yeah, I'm
ride. That
just
was a
backing
2-hour drive here, 2-hour drive back.
I'm just I'm leaving on the trailer in the
Hey, if
building.
you want,
You know,
if you
just
want,
leave
I
yours on
can
the trailer.
drive.
Yeah, I would go to the gas. I need some gas.
I figured you were a little tired from driving.
Yeah.
Roll the windows up, man. I want to turn on the heat. I lied. Turn on the AC. Hey, you made sure that you strap them things down?
Yeah, they strapped down.
Alright.
Whenever I come and swap that I added a steering wheel heater.
Oh. Oh yeah. My dad's truck got one of those.
Yeah, it's nice for the winter time.
Yeah. I was borrowing it because my before I got my power stroke, I didn't have nothing to drive.
Speaking of your power stroke, what happened? It's still in the shop?
Yeah. Oh yeah, hey, I forgot to tell y'all. I bought back my old house. Hey, take a picture of that stuff. Is it squatting? I can't tell. Huh? It's squatting, huh?
Yeah, it looks like it a little bit.
You want me to drive? Alright, let's go.
First time I ever rode passenger since I rebuilt it. Oh, so push the start, don't forget that.
Hey man, it don't let turn on. Typical Chevy.
Oh, I'm gonna turn it on. Hey, the push starts are weird. You gotta know how to work it.
Bruh. It turned off. What the?
Well, we ain't gotta talk about that.
Mm. Shut. Thing sounds good.
Sounds good on the crank up, huh? Yeah.
Oh yeah, your truck is broken.
God, you want me to drive? I don't think you know what you're doing.
Oh yeah. It don't even go in park. I mean in drive.
Everybody, they don't know how to work it since I rebuilt it.
Where he came from. Huh?
Oh,
Where
I
you
don't know.
I think that dude might be on drugs or something. Got him.
Right in the middle of the road, like Jackie.
Well, turn. Mash it. Run faster. I don't think you heard me.
Hold up, my wife's calling. Just at the power sports. Yeah, I bumped me another 12 wide. Yeah, I'm with Bronson. Whose money is it? Mine or yours? Alright, bye. Have a nice night. That's one aggravating, bro. I'll tell you that.
Bruh.
Every time I buy something, she chews me out. She's working for the money. Mirror you.
Probably you.
All she does all day is sit at the house and watch TikTok things. Whatever things are called.
Man, I should have got the orange while I left. I shouldn't have got the blue one.
I ain't gonna change it.
What was that?
I ain't gonna change it. We'll say that.
Yeah, for real. Wish it was that easy. Hey, turn right up here. Be easier to cope. You seen that car? He needs to go back to driving ed.
You wanna listen to videos on the trailer at my shop tonight?
Yeah, I'll walk home. It's not that far.
You go. Me, I'm going back to my house. I'm just gonna hook my I'm going up the road there. I'm just gonna hook my trailer and then go to my building.
Alright.
Start ordering all the parts. That was a bad decision letting us get some side by sides.
Yeah. Not as easy to fix like them old scramblers.
Hate backing up in here.
Huh?
I hate backing up down here.
Oh.
My buddy must have came get a tractor.
Alright, that's good. Hey, hold up. Let me check some on your GPS. Go ahead and hook the trailer. Alright, guys. This will be the end of the video. There's gonna be a part 2 tomorrow. Whenever we wake up. Yeah, stay tuned for the part 2. Subscribe and like this video because I need some more money. Alright, bye.